Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths class. Today I am going to start your new chapter, chapter number 9, that is fractional number. In this class, we will learn about fraction, and after that, we will learn about equal parts and unequal part. So, what is fraction? A part of any object or things. We can say that things. A part of any object or things is called what? Fraction. Suppose this is a chalk, and when I break this chalk, it is divided into two parts. Then each part is called what? Fraction. This is a chalk. When I break it, it divided into two parts, and each part is called fraction. Or we can say that a piece of chalk is an example of what? Fraction. So, what is fraction? A part of any object, or we can say that things. A part of any object is called what? Fraction. Is called fraction. A part of any object is called fraction. Example, a piece of chalk. When in the beginning, see, this is a chalk, and when I break this chalk, it is divided in two parts. Each part is called fraction, or we can say that it is a piece of chalk. It is a piece of chalk. A piece of chalk is an example of what? Fraction. Or another example, a piece of cloth. If there is a cloth and we cut into a small piece, that piece is called what? Fraction. A piece of cloth is also an example of what? Fraction. Now we will learn about equal parts and unequal part. What is equal part and unequal part? Now I am going to draw some picture on the board, then we can easily understand about equal parts and unequal parts. See. See, this is a circle. Now I am going to divide this circle into two parts. Now I am going to divide this circle into two parts. Let's divide it. Now see, after dividing both part of the circle, this is first part, this is first part, and this is what? Second part. Second part, first part, second part, and part of what? This big circle, first part and second part. See, both parts look same in size. If both parts look same in size, that means both are what? Equal parts. So, first part and second part of the circle both are equal. That means both are what? Equal. So, we can write here both are what? Equal. It means both parts are equal. Now see, the second example I have taken of rectangle. See, now I am going to divide this rectangle into two parts. See, after dividing this rectangle, also look first part, the first part of rectangle, and this is second part of rectangle. Both look same in size. Same in size. That means both parts are what? Equal. That means both parts are called equal parts. Now again, hope you all have understood what is equal parts. Now again I am going to take the same example of circle. Again I am going to draw the circle and as well as rectangle. Now again here I am going to divide this circle into two parts. Let's divide it, and rectangle also in two parts. See, the first part of this circle is bigger than the second part. The first part of the circle is bigger than the second part. It means both parts are not equal in size. It means what? Both parts are unequal. So what we have to write? Unequal parts. Now second one see also. I have divided this rectangle into two parts. This is first part and this is second part. Both parts are not same in size. The first part is bigger than the second part. It means what? Both parts are not equal. That means it is an example of what? Unequal parts. So here also what we have to write? We have to write unequal parts. Unequal parts. Hope you all have understood about fraction, equal parts and unequal parts. Now again I am going to explain this fraction once more. A part of any object, is called what? Fraction. Is called fraction. Example, we can take a piece of chalk, a piece of cloth. These are the example of what? Fraction. See, this is a duster. This is a duster. When I break into two parts, it means the duster is divided into two parts. It may be equal or it may not be equal. When we cut this duster, if both parts are same in size, that means these are called what? Equal parts. And when we cut this duster into two parts, if both parts are not same in size, that means it is an example of what? Unequal part. Hope you all have understood what is fraction, unequal parts and equal parts. Okay, thank you everyone.